Did you know that using a good thumbnail
can increase your views?
You think it is hard? In this channel, we make good-looking, professional, and clickable thumbnails. We take you with us in every step.
So make sure to subscribe. At first, we type YouTube thumbnail, which shows the blank page, and then go to uploads. I've uploaded some of my photos that I'm gonna work on, and then choose this one. I'm gonna set it as a background by right click and set image as background, and then edit image. Go to duotone and choose pop. Apply, and then go to adjust and add some blur on it. Like this. Okay, and then add our character. I've downloaded from Google. Like this, and then go to elements and type radial light, like this one. See, more like this, and we're trying to find our best one. Yeah, this is the one. We're gonna try to use it, so it add lights behind our character. Make it bigger and send it to the back. I haven't found anything better, but I've used one recently. This is it. Yeah, this is the one. I'm gonna duplicate this page to see which one is better. What I do is make it bigger and then send it to the back by right click or using the keyboard. I think this one is better, so I'm gonna keep it. I'd like to crop this photo and then make it bigger, so the light become bigger. Yeah, like this. Then I like to download it and then use this as a background. No, I download it and then upload it again. Like this. And use this as a whole as a background. Here we are, and then we edit it. I increased the brightness, the brightness and the contrast, also saturation, decrease the blur a little bit, increase the warmth and clarity, and the highlights. Now I can compare. Yeah, there is a difference. Okay, now I add shadows and I choose glow. I like to make it white shadow. You can see it around him. Adjust it a little bit. I click apply. I looked it because it is better, Now it's time to edit our text. I'm gonna type insane 19 kill victory. Change the font, make it bigger. Some basic adjustment of the font. Trying to figure out what is the best for this font, best size, to appear. Wanna change its color. 19 kill it does the main part, so I want to make it, pop up, stand out from other text. Like this. Okay, I'm gonna add some other elements. There is this graphics called smoke. It's really cool, I wanna choose the right one. Gonna click C, brought like this. Yeah, I choose this one, and I'm gonna make it bigger. Like this. Adjust transparency and send it to back. Okay. Gonna add this one also.
and the same. Increase transparency and send it to the batch like this. Now I'm gonna add some thunder for the right one. Yeah, this one is good. Gonna make it bigger. Do this. And send it to back behind the only behind the F2, not behind the small. Looking for the other one. It is. Make it bigger and send it to the back. I think it's cool now. Looks cool. Looking for other one, but no. I can use this one in the background. So bigger. And decrease the transparency and send back. Increase a little bit. Yeah. Now increase the font. Try to find the right color. Stand out. If you liked my video, make sure to subscribe.